Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Felicia, and on this channel I talk about natural hair. I do product reviews and also natural hair tutorials, so consider subscribing. So as you can already see by the title, is all about Curlkit. And yes, this is my last box, and some of that can be explained in my previous video in my December Curlkit, so I will link that here and also in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get started. So this month Curlkit theme is Glow Up Your Transformation. Okay, so the first product I have up is Kandy Kurls Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I can't say what it smells like. It really doesn't have much of a smell to it. Okay, oh yeah, this is a full-size product, and it also listed as having no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no perpetulant, no silicones, alcohols, or dyes. The next product is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils 5-in-1 Leave-In Treatment. And let me just put this out here that we've already received this actual product within the past 6 months, may even been a shorter time than that. But yeah, we've already received this. Okay, so Nubian Heritage African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub. Now let me just be honest, I don't mind a good facial scrub. I'm actually using African Black soap right now. However, if I am paying money for a hair subscription, hair products, that's all I want to see in my box. I don't want to see any facial scrubs. I don't want any shower gels, which I received one, I don't even know what month, maybe September, October, somewhere in there, but it's been within recent months. I got a shower gel. Just saying. This is a full size. It is 4 fluid ounces. So this is I guess a little sample packet. Curl Keeper Total Controls for Frizzy Hair. This is the original. So yeah, this is 1 fluid ounce. That's what that is. So a little sample packet. So the next items is going to be by Hawaiian Silky. Yeah. So all 4 of these is something different. Each packet is 0.5 fluid ounces. One is a apple cider vinegar shampoo. Another one is Hair So Soft conditioner, charcoal activated shampoo, and hair yogurt intense treatment. All of these is listed for all hair types, but once again, these are 4 little pillow packets. Yeah, I can do nothing with 0.5 fluid ounces for my hair, but that's what we got. And then to top it off, we got peppermint lip balm. Yeah. Okay, I could always use another lip balm, but once again, and they don't have this listed as one of the products, so I guess this is just a free bonus or freebie that they just threw in there, but you could have replaced something else, I feel, instead of this, and something else instead of this here. So that is what I got for January for 2018, and I know that some of these boxes kind of varied a little bit with some of the products, but yeah, so in total you got like 2 full, well no, I'm sorry, got 3 full-size products and some packet samples and a lip balm. So yeah guys, so this is why I am canceling, or have canceled rather, my Curlkit subscription. I I was hoping it would get a little better. It has consistently not gotten better. So I just rather not continue to put money towards products that I am not happy with and that's not cohesive and just really more misses than hits. So that's it, guys. Curlkit is $20 a month for the subscription and $5 for shipping. I will put the link in the description box below. I'm not here to discourage you from not trying it, but it just has not worked out for me. And also from some of my beauty peeps that I can see in the comments that engage with me seem like every month. Thank you, I appreciate that, but I'm not the only one. Some people share the same feelings as far as what they're getting is just not up to par for them. So hope this was helpful, and if you guys have not already, make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.